Sanibonani nonke bantu baseningizimu Afrika.
Sanibonani nginibingelele nginamukele le channel eMasweti Media Production. Uma ngabe uyaqala ukufika ngiyacela ukuthi ungenzele iqiniso uqofa subscribe maqedwe kwale video ushaye like bese uyakhomenta lolu daba namhlanje. Ngenza kwethu uTaphengeze ngalo ke njengamanje luthi ke ukhala esikanandi ubaba umsholozi ubaba uJacob Zuma ukhala ke ngomsakazo omkhulu walapha eMzansi Afrika okuyi i-SABC ukhala ngokuthi ke banqabela ukuthi ke badedele ukukhuluma kwakhe nokuphawula kwakhe kanye ke nendlela akancinca ngayo abantu njengoba ke kuzovotwa nge-29 May uthi ke waba ke ne-interview nabo ke mhla ka-22 May lapho khona ke babempheka ngemibuzo ke njengoba kuyaye kwenziwa ke kwi-interview bangabe sekumele ukuthi i-interview idedeleke ibonwe ke umphakathi u-SABC usiyayinqabela ke usuyayiblogger uthi nje cha uZuma ke akumele kuzwakale ukukhuluma kwakhe uZuma ke akumele izwakale ithembiso zakhe uZuma akumele kuzwakale ukuphawula kanye ke nokuthi yena yini athi ke uzoza naye ukhala ngokuthi ke uyacindezelwa futhi ke uyafisa ukwazi ukuthi yini imbangela yalokho njengoba ke uzoyizwela kule video kanti ke uzokhumbula futhi ukuthi uSABC uhlawuleke ngo500,000 ngenxa yokuthi ke wanqaba ukudlala isikhangiso seDA sokunxenxa abantu ukuthi ke bavote ngenxa yokuthi ke ekhala ngokuthi uDA uveza ilokhuzana uveza iflag la South Africa lisha wasuthi cha ngeke size sidlaleke lesikhangiso senu sokuthi abantu benivotele uDA wabafakela icala ke njengamanje kuzomela ke bahlawule nge500,000 lokhu ke abantu abaningi bakubona ke njengokuchema kweSABC ukuthi ngenzeka ukuthi ke kukhona iqembu abacheme nalo ngakho ke bazama ukunqabela wonke labamanye kamaqembu ukuthi ke aveze ukuphawula kwawo aphinde futhi anxenxe nabantu ngicela ukuthi uyizwele ubaba umsholozi ekhuluma ngalolu daba mangabe usuqedile ungenzele iqiniso ucofa subscribe ulike bese ke uyakhomenta ngiyabonga
Ngithe ake ngikhulume nani namhlanje ngento engibona ukuthi iyaqhubeka noma thina sazi ukuthi siphila ezweni eliphila ngokuthi linombuso wentando yeningi. I'm greeting all of you in our beautiful country, South Africa. I thought it was necessary for me to talk to you today about some developments which I believe are painting a very serious picture to the behavior of our country's important broadcasting machines that we have in our country. I had an interview with the SABC on the 22nd, just 2 days ago, wherein they were seeking to have the views from me as a leader of the new party that has come in the country, uMkhonto Wesizwe. I had to express myself in what I know as a democratic country, where there is a freedom of speech. And unfortunately, I've just heard that the SABC blocked that meeting we had with their publishers. This is something out of this world because South Africa is a democratic country, freedom of speech, everything. But they have decided they cannot broadcast what Jacob Zuma has said. And I think I'm the only one so far that is being blocked by big broadcasting stations. I don't understand what is happening. I last heard this during the days, very hard days of apartheid, where many people were not allowed to speak. They were actually burned, not to say anything, not their views politically in particular. This is surprising. Where is South Africa going? What is happening to our country? Why there are individuals whose views are not allowed to be known by the country, whilst others speak at any given time, whatever they want. This is shocking. This is in keeping with the behavior of our legal experts in the manner in which they do make decisions that are very surprising. And as I've been speaking in few days with few stations, I realize that there is an uncomfortable feeling among other people. Why? Why shouldn't I express my views? Why shouldn't I tell the truth that I know? There is something shocking that South Africa is pulling back to apartheid methods and behavior. The whole SABC says Zuma must not be heard in South Africa. Where must I be heard? This is my country. I belong here. This is surprising. But it is even more shocking that not only the SABC, but the ENCA has done exactly the same on the interview I heard at Nkandla yesterday, which was the 23rd. Again, they blocked what I had given to the colleagues who were talking to me and asking me questions. Are we going back to apartheid country? What is happening in the country? The reason why I felt I should say something, because if it was just one kind of broadcasting station, I would have said maybe there was a mistake somewhere. But it is clear that all these big stations have come together to say Zuma must not be allowed to speak. Why? When we are getting into the elections, when we are supposed to express our views to the population of this country, when all political people are talking, are saying everything they want to say, and they are allowed to be heard. Why is Zuma not allowed to be heard on his views? In other words, whether it is the media or the judiciary in particular, they are waiting to ensure that Zuma's views must not be heard. Why?